Welcome back. This is the Higher Table Podcast, entertainment side of things. Wherever you are, you're still having some great time, guys. I know, I said it before. Sometimes artists get signed to record labels, and when they get signed to record labels, which plans does not go like the way plan or artists go shelfie or they just can't market or push the artist. So as you all know, the young boy here, Tuksin, or known as Tuksin SA, and I want to Mr. Tshivhidzelwa, he did that hit song in our damn is a hell of a dope song. Track and commented on Tshivhidzelwa. But then when they went back and recooked the track, this time on Wanamakazi, the track didn't live up to expectations. I ngo ripa suzara rokomleri lizwine batho ba go toda zone yeso go to another track in our I don't know if I should say it's an average track, but yeah man, it's just a track. I don't want to complain or no nduri makazi ukuchinya rwimbo rangwana and all that, but when we look at it we're like, no, you know what, Makazi doesn't really had anything to do that. Is because they're both in the same stable. So if they're both in the same stable, yeah, whatever goes from the top, they gotta do it. So what really had me was when I realized that the original song Tshivhidzelwa itself, the song faded so quick, man, because that company didn't really push the song. They didn't really do anything with the song. So the song just like vanished. I know like it's still playing on the street, you still have people listening to it on the street, but when we look at the track itself, the way that it came, man, we were expecting something strong, something that is going to take us to December the way we wanted, but unfortunately the track didn't live up to that. But beside that, I'm happy to see that the kid is working on the EP, with the Tshivhidzelwa. I'm hoping the Matombo and they were even more powerful than Tshivhidzelwa itself, and then Matombo they will make us dance, Kongwan. So yeah man, Tuksin will drop out the EP soon, but the official track or the original track Tshivhidzelwa faded so quick and it was never pushed by the record label at all. I'd never seen anywhere that they pushed that track, man. That track just, so when they re-recorded the track, it was all about like maybe let's have our own master. Let's own the master from this song. And like I said, the lyrics of Makazi didn't really like do justice there, because take about something, the song's about something. But like I'm saying, Tuksin SA is gonna be dropping an EP, with the Tshivhidzelwa. I'm hoping to see some great music video. I'm hoping to listen to some dope music from this EP. So I'm right here waiting for you. Tuksin, give me something way doper than the actual track Tshivhidzelwa. Let's party, let's dance, let's have fun, man. We're expecting great things, and I'm hoping the record label do good by you. Shouldn't be like another case here, Prince Benza. Yeah man, he had to leave now, going signed by Moraho. I hope I'm pronouncing the name right, Moraho Records. So yeah man, let's look for great stuff. Let's look for the dopest music. Don't forget guys, I'm gonna be talking about Tam on the next video. Let's look what really happened there, man. Something also happened. The song was a hit, but it disappeared, man. So I'm hoping Tuksin won't disappear like Zoete Akakubikid. Ne, that's not Dukan Swan and one and Mahongoni. Tuksin got a new EP dropping soon. I'm out of here. But in Toda Wankwama 08269371124. And social media to take it for Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp, and everything. We're right there. Diba Funazone. Tuksin, big up kid. Wanna see some dope music? Ndayandon. I'm out of here. Diba Funazone.